Hi there, it's another trick in Excel. Now for this spreadsheet, do you think it's good? No, because the zero numbers, it's better to hide them. Either hide it completely or use a dash. It would look much better. Okay, like this. We're much better, okay? Otherwise your boss will comment it does not make them easy to read for all these zero numbers here. And what is the trick in order to make it become a dash? There's several ways to do that. One way, and not a very good one, but it's also possible to use the option Advanced and go to Display to Worksheet here, and untick the showing zero. Then it won't show the zero here. But it's not looking good, isn't it? Because it's better to have a dash. So this method is not good. So go back to Option, to Display, Advanced, Display, Worksheet, Show zero. The best way is to use the format. You Control 1. Hit Control 1 and don't use currency, but rather go to Accounting. Okay, you press OK, then become a dash. And you can do the same thing here. Accounting. In fact, all these formats I use accounting. So suppose for this item, unfortunately instead become zero, I press zero, it become a dash. Isn't it look much better? Okay, suppose that your boss says, no, I don't want a dash. I want it to be completely empty. It's also possible without going to Option. That is the trick, though. And using this strange figure, I copy that. And go back here. And for this one, I use Control 1 again. And I go to Custom. With this one, I remove it and paste it here. Immediately it becomes zero. It becomes nothing. Okay, and of course you can use this one, the Format Painter, and do the same thing. Okay, so this trick is easy, but it's very important because in accounting sheet nobody wishes to see a zero, because it's better to have become a dash, and much more clear, much clearer in accounting. Okay, thank you.